Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Welcome to Lifers. Here's the story of how I rescued this painted turtle. So here I was at work, working through my day, and on the floor, I saw this painted turtle randomly walking past me. I swear wildlife just finds me sometimes. So I quickly grabbed him and put him into a container that I could find. I still had about an hour or two left of work, so I couldn't rescue him right away. We have a small retention pond pretty close to where I work. But this guy, he's very lucky to be alive. I'm surprised he wasn't run over by a forklift or stepped on. I'm lucky I was the one who found him, because some people would have just stomped on him. So here he is trying to get out. I could tell he was healthy. He didn't seem to have any injuries or anything, so I figured he'd be okay.
Sorry, buddy.
So here's after work. I'm in my CX-30, getting ready to drop him off. I'm taking him to a place where I know he will be safe. So here I am removing him. I struggled a little bit to get a hold of him. I kind of just flipped him. Sorry, buddy. And there he goes. So I could tell he was pretty dehydrated. And my suspicions were confirmed, because as soon as he touched the water, he was drinking as much as he could. I'm just glad I was the one who found him. Otherwise, his story probably would have ended. So basically, I just stayed with him for a few minutes to make sure he was okay. Yeah, this is an eastern painted turtle, Chrysemys pictopicta. I'm not going to make a specific video about the species this time. I just wanted to rescue him and set him on his way. We'll find other ones in the wild in future videos. He was drinking for quite some time. I just wanted to give him a nudge to make sure he was healthy and was able to move. He slowly started to explore his environment. So I knew he was going to be okay. I always try to rescue animals anytime I can. I know my channel is mostly about the information of different species, but I'm also about rehabilitating and saving wildlife whenever I can. Just like the raccoons that I saved a while back. And I think he's going to be okay. Alright, see you next time on Lifers. Like, comment, and subscribe.